Hello, everyone. Welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. This is my planner for the week of April 8th through April 14th, 2024. And I went a little different. The last few, have been very springy and flowery. Whoops, that's a month. um, Eastery, yeah, pink. So, well, except that one was green, but I decided to do coffee, and the reason for that is because I've been working with my scrap bin pile, whatever, and I have this little thing. These were leftover scraps from Love You a Latte. Now this says January 2020 question mark. That's not when I bought it. That's the last time I think I used it, and I made traveler's notebooks, 3 of them, which I gave away not too long ago, I guess last year or something. I don't know. I had 3 of them. Anyway, so I wanted to use scraps. So all this stuff up here at the top, these two are scraps. This is a scrap. This is a scrap. This is a scrap. This was already made in the scraps, and it's a little bit dimensional, which I don't usually like to do in my planner, but it is what it is. I wanted to use it, and I don't know of a project I'm going to be using that will need this big of a piece on it. I do have a smaller project I'll be making soon. These two here are scraps, and then the only washies I used are this Doodlebug. Doodlebug makes the cutest, if you like cute, um, cutest washies. So I had this one, which I used, and then I thought I almost didn't use this, but I needed a little something right here, and so I used this one. Now I do have some other coffee things. This one's not even open, and it's very colorful, so another time perhaps. And I have this one, but the colors didn't really go with the paper, the red and black. And I don't know where this is from. I'm not going to even guess because I don't know. And then I brought these out, ended up not using them. So anyway, yeah, I have a little too much washi, like way too much washi. Anyway, okay, so what are my plans for the week? This week, today is going to be busy. I am doing my planner and video now. It is about 7:30 a.m. Monday morning, and I just did the layout, and this is the video, so I'm going to check that off. It'll take me a while to get it up. I did not get Penny's challenge done last week, so that is on my to-do for today, to make it and video it and get it ready to mail. Um, Maria Miscellany, if you watch this, which I doubt, um, your prize is still sitting here, so I am going to get to the post office tomorrow, Tuesday the 9th, and I will mail it then. And also, I didn't get my taxes. The preliminary thing is done, but I need to write the checks. I have the money in the account now. I need to write the checks and mail them and do my we have local taxes here, and I can probably do them online unless I end up owing them too. I don't know. I owe state and federal, and or federal and state. Those are ready. I just need to print them, sign them, write the checks, and get them in the mail. So I'm going to mail all that stuff tomorrow, Tuesday, because I have to also go out in the afternoon for a doctor's appointment. Should be a fairly quick one, not going to be a fun one though. 3-month checkup and blood work review. And in the morning, if Nonstop Paper Crafts does her prompts in the morning for us on the East Coast, I think they're 5 hours ahead of us in the UK where she is, I believe. And so I'll look for her prompts early in the morning. And in the morning, I will plan on making Altered Index 2024, which I might have to finish when I get home from the doctor and the post office. And that's it for Tuesday. I left it open because I don't know how much. So I used some stickers. The only Happy Planner book I used was this one, and I used it for this coffee mug, but First Coffee. I really don't actually like cold coffee, but I put it there anyway. This hot coffee, Going, Making, I have a lot making and doing tomorrow. Living the sweet life. That was on a page of sweets. I thought it was more appropriate to just represent my retired state that I'm in. This says it's coffee o'clock. I'm going to see a concert movie at a theater at IMAX on Wednesday night, and by myself, unfortunately. And then I have Thursday is hashtag Deck the Year, week 15, which I am planning on making. I forgot to mention it here on Wednesday. And I have a theme. I know what I'm doing. And also I have to make embellishments for the 11th, which is my own collaboration. And that video goes up at noon on Thursday. So hopefully those videos will be up already, scheduled from Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, I need to make jewelry. I need to get back on track with jewelry, and I have things in a state of partial make. I need to finish and do a video here, so probably will have a video on Friday on my jewelry channel for February's Potomac Beads kit, and then I think I want to do a soft flex kit here that they sent me. So that video hopefully will go up on Saturday. And then Saturday I need to do March's Potomac Beads kit, and or jewelry for my own collab on the 18th, which is jewelry making fun. So I didn't write in the specifics. I just put make jewelry because maybe I can get two done in one day. Yeah, right. I don't think so. Anyway, that's how it is. Also from Happy Planner, the washi tape for my planner for next week. Try and do it on Sunday. Sunday is usually housework day. Um, the weather so far, like today, is supposed to be, oh, I forgot to write that in. Today is solar eclipse. And where I'm at, we should have approximately 90%. And I think it's going to be around 3 p.m. I'll put 2 to 3 p.m. I need to verify. I didn't get the glasses, so I can't actually go out and watch it. In fact, do not look at the sky during eclipse time if you don't have those special glasses, because you will damage your eyes. So I'll just have to watch it officially on television. But it was coming up from Mexico all the way up through Canada and then out to the North Atlantic Ocean. But I believe I heard around here it'll be around the, I think 3 o'clock time frame, but I don't know exactly. Um, okay, my top 3 this week: stay on schedule and do all the things. I really need to do everything on this week in order. Walk every day, that it doesn't rain, and clear my thoughts out. I think we're going to have 4 days of no rain, hopefully, or at least 3. I think Friday is supposed to rain again, so that's a good day to be staying in and making jewelry. And then the last thing is eat healthier, track my weight and health stats. I was doing that a while back and I stopped, and I really need to do it again to keep myself on track. Okay, the quote that's already in here is, do the best you can until you know better. Then when you know better, do better, by Maya Angelou. Angelou, yes. And for notes, that's where we do our fun little take the book and close my eyes and see what I find in this gratitude book. And then over here, gratitude. Last week, I really just wrote a simple, really most grateful for my adult children. They and my cat Callie are my life, which is true. And you guys, of course, but family first, All right, I'm going to close my eyes. Hopefully this will come up with something to do with coffee. I'm going to open the book and I'm just going to point. Okay. Oh. Aww. Cats in cat eye glasses. Well, cats. Okay, some of these are kind of weird. It doesn't have to do with coffee. All right, so per the book, number 188. Last time we had 407, I think. Um, grateful for cats in cat eyeglasses. Have you ever seen one of those? I have not. My cat would no way leave eyeglasses on. So I'm going to put, yeah, right. Dot, dot, dot. But I am grateful for Callie Cat. While I was doing my planner, I could hear her in the living room downstairs batting toys around and stuff. Some of them make noise, but one she kind of got stuck, a mouse, right at the bottom of the steps. She got it stuck somewhere. I'm like, what is that noise? And then I looked down and I kept calling her, but she thought I was downstairs. She didn't realize I was up here. It was funny. So that's it. And I'll sometime during the week write a gratitude for this week. I want to thank you all so much for being a part of my channel and watching. Oh, the heart here was out of the Happy Planner book too. Anyway, I digress. I hope you enjoyed. Even if you don't like coffee, it's kind of cute, right? Fun, different colors. It has a little pink in it still, but you know, pinks and browns and blacks. And a little bit of blue. I should have switched colors, but I'm stuck in my brain using this blue pen to write stuff and the black pen to check it off. So I don't know what's up with that. But yeah, I have other colors. I just need to pull them out and use them. So again, thank you so much for watching. I will let you go. Have a wonderful week ahead, I hope. Um, Stay safe from things like, oh, did I tell you we had an earthquake? I didn't feel it. I was out of the home, probably in my car when it happened. Um, it's the day I went to a bank and then Dollar Tree for my Dollar Tree haul and the grocery store after that. So I don't know if I was in the Dollar Tree or the grocery store or the car at the time. My son was asleep, but when I got home and when he woke up, I said, "Did you feel the earthquake?" And he said, "I thought that might have been an earthquake. It felt, you know, it rumbled a little bit and then it felt like or it sounded like if you have a loud truck going by and it kind of rattles things. That doesn't happen very often here because I'm on a cul-de-sac street. So we don't get too many big trucks, but occasionally. And then the road out at the end of our street gets buses and big trucks sometimes, and even them sometimes will rattle things. And that he said that's what it felt like. And then he went back to sleep. It woke him up though. It woke him up. He got up, you know, used the facilities, went back to sleep. But that was the earthquake. And my daughter, while I was out, called me and said, my neighbor called in a panic and said, did a small plane crash near our homes?" But they thought she was home, but she wasn't. She was out. My granddaughter, I don't want to say she won it, but she got at church, school and church. She got awarded a virtue award or something. So my daughter had to go to the ceremony. Anyway, I didn't know about that till she called me. But yeah, so she heard about it but didn't feel it either. So it was strange. And she's further west and a little bit north of me. I'm I'm kind of west of Philadelphia by about 40 minutes. So, but I didn't feel it out and about. So I don't know. I must have been in the car or something. Anyway, I digress. Be safe out there. I know sometimes seems Mother Earth is really mad at us, right? And higher beings. So, yeah, that's all I'll say about that. Take care. Hugs, love, and peace.